the next day. I'm gonna take out these braids. I did 10 braids in my head, and I think that they are dry and ready to be taken down. The key to a successful braid out is you want to make sure that you want to make sure your braids are completely dry, 100%. So I think mine are good. It's been almost a full day, so I just slept on it, and then I even sat underneath my hooded dryer, so we should be good to go. The product that I used was the As I Am Double Buttercream. I love how this smells. It's a thick cream. It is good with definition and adding moisture, so I really like this cream. I've only used it once before, and that was for a twist out, and the definition was real. So yeah, we're just gonna take these down. I'm looking for an oil. I'm just gonna use a little bit of my Main Choice growth oil because I don't have any other type of oil. So I'm going to use this as I take the braids out to help prevent frizz. And fingers crossed that I like how this turns out, because I haven't done a braid out yet since I cut my hair. So we'll see. Let's do it. Okay, you guys, so I added just a little bit of edge control and picked it just a little. I only took the braids out. I didn't do any separating. So I really like it. I really like how it turned out. I have a little bit of stretch, if you will, just a little bit. And I don't know, I just really like it. There's definitely definition. Like, look at this. It looks so good. So I feel like this is gonna be my go-to. I'm definitely gonna be doing more braid outs. Before, I didn't really do braid outs like that. Definitely never did twist outs. But now that my hair is all healthy, it looks a lot better. So very excited. I use the As I Am double butter cream. Smells good. It's a thick cream. It moisturizes. It gives definition. Now, I'm not sure about longevity, so you know, I don't know how long it'll last, and I'm planning on just kind of sleeping on it with a bonnet and a satin pillowcase. So we'll see what it looks like on tomorrow, but I'm feeling it, and yeah, I just had to share it with you guys. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. I'm trying to hit 5K by 2020, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. We're so close to 4K. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Leave me some video suggestions down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.